chicken kebab tacos. They look delicious and it's super simple and easy to make them at home. Yeah, for this recipe you can have chicken cut in small pieces and marinate with yogurt, olive oil and all your seasoning. And here I am pan cooking this chicken. I have cilantro, onions, cucumbers and tomatoes with the lemon and salt and pepper for this salad. Mix them all together. I used the pita bread and the sauce is Caesar dressing as well as mayonnaise. I'm just adding the Caesar dressing and mayonnaise. Chicken is ready. Chicken is gonna go next. And then the salad that I just made, I'm going to add the salad on top. This salad is super easy to make it and very delicious. Yeah, so also I'm just gonna add black pepper on top, and then it's ready to serve. You can serve this as a dinner or you can just have it at any time. Yeah, so now is the time to just enjoy.